Hello everyone, today we will review a new lens from Adcom. So this lens I bought from Amazon. It is a fish eye lens, it is a 10 mm fish eye lens. So before starting the review, let me tell you that fish eye lenses mostly comes with 10 mm or 8 mm. 10 mm is around 200. There is a 8 mm fisheye lens which is Apexel 8 mm fisheye lens as you have seen, and Kase 8 mm fisheye lens that is 238-degree fisheye lens. So that is the widest fisheye lens available currently in the market, but this is the 10 mm. Okay, so one thing you have to remember that the lower the value of mm, the higher the width you will get. That means the wider field of view you will get if the mm is less. So 8 mm is widest field of view and you will get lots of fisheye effect. In 10 mm you will get little bit less. Okay, so let me unbox this one. I have already opened it but not yet tested. So this is the box. In box another box comes. This is just a paper box, and inside the box you will get a hard cardboard box. You will get some user manual, and then this is the lens case, and on the lens case you can see it is beautifully written Adcom. Okay, and it is written travel lens. Obviously yes, it is a travel lens because whenever you will travel you want to capture as much as possible from the scene or from the place, so you never want to miss a thing in your field of view. So that's why you need a very wide angle field of view. From this lens you will get that one. You will get a cleaning cloth, okay, and the lens and a clip, universal clip to clip it on top of your any type of phones. Okay, and the lens will be protected by two lens cap. One lens cap is here, another lens cap is already there on the top. Okay, so this is the lens as you can see. Hopefully it can able to focus. On the lens will come out like this. Obviously all fisheye lens looks like this. The lens glass will come out like this, so you cannot put any filter on top of this lens. This is the universal clip, and in that clip you can see there is a adjustment thing is also there. Okay, so you can adjust it whenever there is a camera bump, it can able to adjust itself without any problem. On the lens itself it is written Adcom branding is there, and it is written super fish eye lens. Okay, and it is written also 10 mm full screen means there will be no black border. So let me attach this lens on top of my, currently I am shooting with iPhone 12 Pro Max, so let me put it on top of this primary camera. Okay, so this is the fisheye effect I was telling. You can see now so much wide field of view you can able to see, and if you go near to the lens I will look like a cartoon. Okay, so if you are shooting at a distance, suppose one hand distance, then it is perfect for you. So whenever you are vlogging, stretch your hand to the fullest so that your face will be away from the camera, and you can able to shoot yourself. If you want to do vlogging and all, then you can able to shoot yourself, and you can easily take beautiful videos with this lens. Okay, so before testing the other properties of the lens, let me remove the lens and you can see the difference between with lens and without lens. So this is without lens. Okay, so hopefully you saw the difference between this fisheye lens and your without lens. Okay, so now let's go to the photo mode and take two photos with lens and without lens. Okay, this is the output from the fisheye lens. As you can see, you will get a very widest field of view. Okay, so now let's see if we are getting any black border or not. No, we are not getting any black border if it is in video mode. Okay, we will test the photo mode again after this. So let's see if it is getting us some distortion or not on the edges. Yes, we are getting some distortion, and on the edges you can able to see these things are not clear. Okay, these are all blurry. You can see my hand, these are all blurry, and when I am coming here then only it is looking good. So almost this part is unusable for you. Okay, but you can able to see what is there, like this is a building, you can able to understand, but you cannot get any details out of this part and this part. Okay, this is the photo mode, and in the photo mode you can see you will get black border from all the four edges. If you want, you can remove the black border by zooming 1.1x. So as the lens manufacturer has told that it is full screen fisheye lens, it is not full screen fisheye lens, it will have some black border. Okay, so let's do some 1.1x zoom. Okay, so after doing 1.1x zoom, the black border is removed now, so that's not a problem. We can zoom 1.1x, which is very less. Now we will take one with lens photo. In with lens photo, you can see on the right side the edges are blurry. That means you will get lots of distortion. In left side also you can see this building, it is full blur, and in the middle you can see the sharpness is very less. I don't know why, but it is not sharp overall on the image as well. Okay, now we are testing this lens on the front camera. So in the front camera, this is the look currently, and if I will put the fisheye lens, so this is the output of the fisheye lens. It can cover too much wide field of view. Okay, in photo mode you will get black border. In video mode you will not get any black border. So if you are using this lens for vlogging purpose in back camera as well as front camera, then also you are able to get very wide field of view without any black border. Okay, so that's the best thing about this lens, but I don't know if my face is looking sharp or not. Let me show you. Okay, so in video let me know if my face is looking sharp or not, because on photos it is not looking that much sharp. Tell me, comment below, I am sharp or not. Am I looking sharp? That's the testing of this lens. If possible, I will take this lens for a ride outside, but I don't think I like this lens because it is not good for photography, so I will be mostly returning this lens. For videography it is okay, I think. It depends upon you. If you want to decide to go for it, then you can go for it, but I will not recommend for photography. For videography you check it from this output. Okay, so if you are getting good result, okay, so like this, if you are getting very good result from this lens, you can go for it. So I am showing you in vlogging mode, so vloggers can able to check out if they can able to shoot nice video with this lens or not. Okay, so that's the out. Okay, so that's the review of this lens. You will not get that much good quality photos, but video is okay, I think. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this lens. I have shown you all the output from this lens. For photography you can use it, but your photos will not look that much sharp. Okay, so that's the output and review of this lens. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in next video.